The Stolen Hour. One day in court, Emperor Akbar spoke of helping the needy and asked his ministers what they did for the poor in their spare time. One wealthy courtier stood and said proudly,
Jahanpana, I would help, but I simply have no time. My days are full meetings, trade, duties. There's no hour left for charity.
The other courtiers nodded politely, as if to excuse him. But Birbal, standing nearby, quietly walked over to a shelf and took down a beautiful hourglass. He placed it before the courtier and turned it upside down. Fine grains of sand began to fall steadily from the top chamber to the bottom. He looked the courtier in the eye and said,
Here is your time slipping away, one grain at a time. Every moment unused is not just lost. It is stolen from those who could have benefited from your care.
The courtier lowered his gaze. Birbal continued,
We all have the same hours in a day. The difference lies in how we choose to spend them. You do not need more time, only more intention.
Akbar, impressed by the powerful lesson, said,
Well spoken, Birbal. Time is our greatest wealth, and once spent, it never returns.
Moral: time is life's richest gift. Spend it where it matters most. Vocabulary:
spare, extra, free, available, not being used. अतिरिक्त, खाली, बचा हुआ, फुर्सत का. Komshayan. Hima. I spend my spare time reading books. मैं अपने खाली समय में किताबें पढ़ता हूँ. Wzai Kongakshia Shijin Bngzh Biren. Watashi wa himana jikan ni ho o yomimasu. Charity. Helping people in need, donation, kindness. दान, परोपकार, जरूरतमंदों की सहायता. चीशन. जिजेन. She gives money to charity every month. वह हर महीने दान करती है. टीमी जी युए दुजुओ चीशन. कनोजो wa मैत्सुकी जिजेन कटसुद ओ शिमासु. Courtier. A royal advisor or noble in a king's court. दरबारी, राज दरबार का सदस्य. टिंगचन. तेईशन. The courtier stood proudly before the king. दरबारी गर्व से राजा के सामने खड़ा हुआ. टिंगचन झान जाई गोवांग मायनकियन. तेईशन wa समानो में नी तचिमशीता. Hourglass. A glass device that measures time using falling sand. रेत घड़ी, समय मापने का कांच का यंत्र. श्लू. सुनाडो के. बीरबल प्लेस्ड द hourglass ऑन द टेबल. बीरबल ने रेत घड़ी मेज पर रखी. BRBRB श्लू फैन जाई झुजी शंग. बिरुब्रु wa सुनाडो के ओत बुरुनी ओकी माशीता. not dead, moved the head up and down to show agreement. सिर हिलाकर सहमति जताई. Dintu, Unazuku. The students nodded in agreement. छात्रों ने सहमति में सिर हिलाया. Exuation Dintu Biostongi. Gakuse Tachi wa Unazuki Mashita. Steadily. In a slow, regular, continuous way. लगातार धीरे धीरे स्थिर रूप से. WNDNG दे. Chakujitsu ni. The sand fell steadily through the hourglass. रेत घड़ी में रेत लगातार नीचे गिरती रही. शजी WNDNG दे ल्यूओक्सिया. सुना WA चकुजित्सुनी ओचिमशीता. Gaze. A long, steady look. टकटकी लगाकर देखना, गहरी नजर. निंगशी. मित्सुमेरु. The courtier lowered his gaze. दरबारी ने अपनी नजर नीचे कर ली. TDXIA ले निंगशी दे MGUNG. करे WA शीजन ओ सागेमशीता.
Welcome to Galaxy Tune. Please subscribe.